Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the tool I created that helps you generate cover letters using AI. And the reason I created this tool is because I got tired of writing cover letters when I was applying for a job. And I'm not sure if cover letters are necessarily needed, but I definitely think they're helpful and they can help you get the job. So I definitely think they're important to use. So with the rise of AI, it's gotten even easier to create cover letters, and that's what this tool does. You just basically put in your information and the tool will do the rest. I would also suggest that you take the information, copy it into another tool or website, and make sure that it passes the AI detection test. You don't necessarily have to, but it's just kind of good to understand to see if someone else did it, what would come back, so that way you're aware. So let's talk about why cover letters are so crucial. They're your first impression to a potential employer and can make or break your job application. But let's be honest, writing one can be a real headache. That's why we're excited about Scribonetics cover letter generator. It's designed to make your life easier and your cover letters better. So let's get started. All right. So let's say you want to apply for a position of a software engineer. So let's type it in, software engineer. Going to copy and paste it, and then the job description, okay, job requirements, skills. We can also use ChatGPT to generate some of this if you want. Previous job. We can skip the resume for now. Okay, let's hit that. We're going to change this to 1000. Let's switch this to professional. And let's just do one result. Okay. Oh, actually, we messed up. Let's take that out. And let's paste that right there. All right, let's do it. That's it. Takes less than 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes to generate a complete cover letter. And basically you could keep trying till you find the one that you like. And that's pretty much it. So all you do is just go to Scribonetics. I'll put the link in the description. Make an account. Make sure to check your spam email. Come here, put your information in. Right here. For the free accounts, you get free tokens, free credits. If it doesn't work, you could put in the ticket or you could email me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the generated cover letter, all the way completed. You can edit it, change it to your liking. You can format it better. Yeah, and put the company's name in. All right. Thank you for watching the video.